Hi there, I'm Corey Burns, Technical Project Manager and Consultant. Let's talk about adding just-in-time training to your Power BI reports. Now, I want to give a special shout out to my colleague at U Mortgage, Michael Christ, for inspiring this particular video. Let's dive right into it. So, you've started building your report, you're getting ready to launch it. You have all the fun Power BI features of cross filtering and interacting with visuals, detailed tooltips, and they start to look at it and they think, now what? Or they ask you, hey, can I export this to Excel? Here's an opportunity to give them direction inside the report about how to interact with it, how, the intended use flow, and you already have the tooltips in your brain from interacting with other web experiences. And the answer is give them some sort of button. Now, it can be an info button. It can be a question button. You can even just give them a help button, but something to give them direction like, hey, I'm looking at this. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. Give them an action, something they can do right there, and you can give them direction in the moment within the context of where they are, right? I've seen a couple different approach of this that can be very successful. The first is an overlay that appears that describes the various things that they're seeing, gives them a little bit of direction. What are these? What do you do with it? That kind of thing, right? You can just have text and arrows. It can be that simple. Those are native shapes that exist inside Power BI. Even better though is if you can work in video or some sort of motion graphic like a GIF, and you can show them like, hey, here's what this interaction looks like. Here's how you can use these, interact with these. This is what you could be doing with this report, with this data. But of course, it can expand beyond that, especially when you start using custom visuals like the HTML5 visual, or embedding your report in a SharePoint page or in an external site, or even inside your own React app. You open up the idea of using other context. For instance, you could have a chat window right there to have them interact with a Copilot bot or even a real person, walking them through, hey, this is where you're at, this is what you do, this is the way to interact with the report. You can take it a step further, have it start a video call. You can walk them through it, you can see their screen, even move their cursor, point them in the right direction. Hey, here's where to go. Here's how you interact with this report. Here's how you apply that filter. Let me know if you need more help. Take these ideas and run with it. These are just places to start, but put help, guidance, and direction inside your reports, and you'll get the dividends in your adoption rate. I'm Corey Burns on LinkedIn. Talk to you next time.